Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today's video, manguli na ta. We're going out for Australia Day. Happy Aussie Day. Happy Australia Day. Oy, oy, oy. We're going to the secret spot. Yeah. Why? What did you do to your hair? Beautiful.
I took it out.
Why? So yes, let's go. People, Rihanna will do the catwalk for for our next Miss Universe 2000 after 10 years, isn't it? Go. Ready? Go. Welcome, Rihanna Notley Miss Universe 2000 something. Oh, wow, pretty. So, ang mga business, we're going somewhere in a secret, beautiful place. Yeah, it's public. Happy Australia Day! So, we're here.
Wednesday.
Only every Wednesday open?
Look at people there, look.
Oh, wow.
Always pass this one. Yeah, this was. I always pass as well.
No, this was yesterday. You can visit after.
Come on, Mike.
It's not Sunday, Mike.
This look like Asian with the dog.
Yeah, true. It looks like. He's doing that. He's asking something.
How are you? Hi, good morning. Good, thank you. How are you? Thank you.
Happy Australia Day.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. That's the overall. Oh, we're here in Merribee Garden in New South Wales. Hello. So, yay. Good morning. Hi.
You must be stalker. Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Mike. How are you? You good?
Good, yeah, thanks.
That's good. What a coincidence. So let's go. Let's gonna do this. So magsaroy-saroy na mi. I'm wearing hat kasi mainit na. Maglakad tayo papunta doon.
Essential electrolyte.
Bye. Look.
Oh, there's a coffee shop. There's a nice garden. Okay, pretty flowers. Look. That's nice. Coffee shop. Ang daming tao, guys. To this gala, I'm with Leia, Cherry, and Riri, and me, myself, Jen, and biglaang si Ate Ina. Under the shed with hats on. Sana sila? Nandun sa likod. Merribee Garden is a 7-acre property on New South Wales South Coast. Landscape gardens and amenities has become a popular venue for country weddings and special events. True. So, how many acres in here, Mike? Do you know? And the pretty flowers. This is a nature. If you're a nature lover, you will love it. Okay? Yeah. Look at these beautiful flowers. And beautiful people. Where's the Tima? Oh! Under the shade. Area is 7 acres located in South Coast. So beautiful. That's a garden. And there's mga pine trees sa likod. Landscape gardens and amenities has become a popular venue for country weddings and special events.
Oh, this is nice. Come on, Riri with Mama. Come on. Pause.
The picture sila. Picture taking
Hey, Riri. Riri.
inside.
Stay for a minute, for 1 second. Yeah.
Na kaming mag-picture taking. So, mahirap palang maging model. Ang daming langaw pa. Ang daming langaw. Yes, post here, post there. So, let's go walk in the other place. We're gonna tour around the 7 acres. 7 acres.
She want to
Yeah.
stand up there.
Halo-halo yung mga tao dito. Merong mga puti, mga Pinoy. May mga Yeah, you're gonna go there? Oh, what's the shapes like? Wow!
This is my pet dog.
That's it? How many dogs you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They'll sit there.
We'll go up the top high.
Yeah. Our model. Very beautiful. Beautiful flowers. Kami kapirting inita jo dito naglagiting ang kainit so madawat ang among skin. Hala. Ang daming tao.
Chips in there.
Yeah. This is a cubby
I
house.
wanna go up there.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go there. Hi. Side here.
Very modern.
Yeah, parang bahay lang namin to. There's a tennis court. Pinasti. Ano yan? Upo. Upo, kamaris. May upo sila dito sa garden. Ready for harvest. Pretty. What's that one?
Tinatayaan ng baba.
Mm.
Center of
Oh. Saan te? Exit?
Picture lang
Asan? So, pwede ka palang magawa ng gate dahil na ganito, oh, fence. Hello, Bess. Smell it? Okay, thank you. I can smell your place. Give them score. 8 out 10. 1 out of 10.
Hola, soy Dora.
Huh?
Hola, soy Dora.
The score is... Huh?
It is.
So, mga friends, kung love nyo yung mga bulaklak, ang daming bulaklak dito. Parang furniture talaga siya. White roses. No, thank you. I'm okay. Look at them. They have a selfie.
I want your love.
Hmm?
Pang
How many score you gonna give out of 1 to 10? There's a coffee shop at the back. We can buy coffee. There's a coffee shop there, coffee area.
Yeah, when you're like,
And there's a Caratilia Formata. Where are they?
I ride at 9 because Mom didn't get me my ice cream yet.
Oh wow, it's ice cream. It's good for this weather. It's really hot. Look at them.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at this Rinja.
Wait, I want
Okay.
If you like spiders, then this is for you.
You say something.
Hi, boy.
The new blogger.
Pam pam pera.
Pam 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 pam.
Hi, da.
Come on, preach.
Yeah, quick one.
Yeah, sure. She's going to get Mike.
Hi.
There's another spot there. Another gar. Ah, that's the main entrance there, Dai. So, ang daming mga tao, mga people, mga sari-sari talaga sila. So, upo tayo sa chair. Oh, welcome to my show. Mag-Tony Talks. Yes. Hi, Merribee. Welcome back. My guest today is Merribee. Do you love our adventure today?
Yep, Dora.
Dora, the Explorer. You wanna sit here? Are you crazy, girl? Let's go inside. Dito ay may mga giveaways sila. Na pwede tayong bibili ng giveaways. So, yan. Giveaways area. Yan ang sa inside. Then, nagre-relax ang mga bestie bago having lunch tayo. So, kailangan naka-mask, naka-hat.
I wanna hold it.
Huh?
I wanna hold it.
Okay. So, we're going home now.
I want food.
Yeah, yummy food. So, welcome to Merribee. Bye, Merribee. We're good.
be good unless you bend from